You searched how to buy shares of Moberg Pharma AB, so this short guide will show the basic steps to purchase its stock. Moberg Pharma is a Swedish specialty pharmaceutical company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker MOB.ST. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you must use a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing any orders. Open the platform search bar and enter the ticker MOB.ST to find Moberg Pharma AB. Select the result that clearly shows the CBOE EU listing to ensure you have the correct asset. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it matches Moberg Pharma AB. Verify the ticker is MOB.ST and the exchange is CBOE EU before proceeding. Tap the Invest or Trade button, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review and confirm your order details. If the market is closed, the order will be queued as pending. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once the order executes, you will see the position listed in your portfolio and the current holding value. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to explore the platform shown.